What's going on, Unbox Nation? Hope you guys are doing great as always. In today's video, we will be unboxing and reviewing Samsung Galaxy Buds Live. If you're new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell button. YouTube doesn't charge any money for that, but it helps me get more opportunities to get new tech so I can make more helpful videos for you guys. Also, please don't forget to smash that like button for the YouTube algorithm to push our video to the top, so we can be helpful to many other viewers interested in this product. If you purchase Samsung Galaxy Buds Live, here's what will come in your box. Samsung Galaxy Buds Live Quick Start Guide, Galaxy Buds Live themselves with Samsung Galaxy Buds Live charging case, USB-C charging cable, and Galaxy Buds Live wingtips. Let's talk about specifications now. Samsung Galaxy Buds Live come in 3 different colors: Mystic Bronze, Mystic White, and Mystic Black. The dimensions of Buds Live charging case is approximately 1.9 inches or 50 millimeters wide by 1.97 inches or 50.2 millimeters tall by 1.09 inches or 27.8 millimeters in depth, and the approximate weight is 0.14 ounces or 42.2 grams. The dimensions of Galaxy Buds Live is approximately 0.65 inches or 16.5 millimeters wide by 1.07 inches or 27.3 millimeters tall by 0.5 inches or 14.9 millimeters in depth, and the weight is approximately 0.2 ounces or 5.6 grams. Galaxy Buds Live have Samsung BCM 43015 chipset and RTOS operating system. The new technology introduced in Galaxy Buds Live is active noise cancellation and Bixby voice wake up. Buds Live connectivity is Bluetooth 5.0 with SBC AAC scalable Samsung codec. The battery playtime is 5.5 hours, with case fully charged is 20 hours, with ANC and Bixby voice wake up on 6 hours, with case fully charged 21 hours, with ANC or Bixby wake up on, and 8 hours with case fully charged 29 hours, with ANC and Bixby voice wake up off. Talk time is approximately 4.5 hours, with case fully charged is 17 hours, with active noise cancellation on, and 5.5 hours with case fully charged 20 hours, with active noise cancellation off. When quick charging Galaxy Buds Live get you 60 minutes play during 5 minutes charge. Case charging is done through USB-C or key wireless charging. Samsung Galaxy Buds Live have sensors like accelerometer, infrared, Hall, touch, grip, and voice pickup unit. Buds Live are not water resistant. They are rated at IPX2. Their driver size is 12 millimeter. And you can get Samsung Galaxy Buds Live for $169.99. Samsung Galaxy Buds Live case design reminds me of a square hockey puck with rounded corners or dental floss container, just slightly bigger. There's USB-C port on the back and key wireless charging on the bottom. I'm sure you heard that Buds Live themselves look like beans, especially the ones in Mystic Bronze or Black. The white ones personally remind me of walrus's teeth. The Buds Live are placed into the grooves inside the case with a pair of charging contacts on top, and they are held in place with magnets. Case will have the same glossy finish as the Galaxy Buds Live, depending on the color you choose. I chose white, and despite the fact that it might attract some fingerprints, it's not easily spotted compared to Mystic Bronze or Black. The Samsung Galaxy Buds Live case is very compact and you will not have a problem with carrying it anywhere. When it comes to durability, I think the case is definitely well built and should last you a while. The hinge has a nice amount of resistance to it. There's also an LED light on the front and on the inside, indicating the case's remaining battery with green, yellow, and red hues. However, the Galaxy Buds Live case is very light, so you should definitely keep an eye on it, especially in the open position. Because if you were to drop it from a waist high, you can definitely cause some damage to it and most likely lose your Galaxy Buds Live, since they don't have a very deep grooves within a case like AirPods Pro, for example. Galaxy Buds Live are open concept earbuds. They have an open type fit that doesn't block your ear canal with anything. Instead, they just line up the speaker grill so that the sound is projected down your ear hole. Fitting Samsung Galaxy Buds Live inside your ears requires you to push the speaker grill all the way inside the ear, while the charging contacts sit in the upper part of the ear. Since Galaxy Buds Live do not go into your ear canal, Samsung does not include any ear tips. Therefore, it's a tough mission to make them stay inside your ears, especially during active workout or any other physical activity. However, you do get a set of smaller and larger bumps that push up against the upper part of your ear on the back side of the earbud to keep it in place, which you can replace in order to make Buds Live more stable or when too much noise is getting into your ears. When properly aligned, the Galaxy Buds Live should be a near perfect fit, sealing the ear with a snug grip. However, the fact that you're jamming a big chunk of plastic and the fact that you most likely never wore something like that before in your ear with no silicone ear tip or rubber insulation means that Buds Live might not be very comfortable for everyone, especially from the get-go. In my opinion, you will definitely notice slight discomfort at first, to the point where you'll need to take out your Samsung Galaxy Buds Live every now and then. But even if they fit properly, there's another problem. These buds come with IPX2 water resistant rating, which means they're only good for slightly sweaty workouts or a light drizzle. If you get caught outside during your workout when it's pouring, snowing, or if you take them to the beach, that could be a last time you listen to your Buds Live. One minor benefit though is that they attract way less earwax than normal wireless earbuds. Buds Live are super easy to clean too, since there aren't many small openings to worry about. Guys, did you know that up to 80% of people that's watching videos on YouTube are not subscribed to the channel whose videos they watch? And in case of smaller channels like mine, over 90% of audience is not subscribed. I know it might not seem like much, but it creates a lot of opportunities for me to make new videos for you guys. If you made it this far in the video and it has been helpful so far, please do not forget to click that subscribe button. Let's talk about call quality now. The Galaxy Buds Live have a triple microphone built in for clear calls. There are two microphones on the outside of each bud and one on the inside, along with the voice pickup unit that uses the accelerometer to sense for the movement of your jaw to convert the kinetic energy into voice signals via bone conduction. Fancy, right? Before recent update, when talking to people, most of the people noted that I sounded decently clear but sort of muted. On a separate phone call with my friend, he said that I sounded very far away and hard to hear even as I moved from a noisy environment and tried to replace Buds Live in my ears for a better result. However, after recent update, when I spoke to people, Samsung Galaxy Buds Live did do a good job of bringing down ambient noise and also picking up my voice. People I spoke with said that they could hear me well and clear even when there was a plenty of noise outside. So hopefully with more future updates, call quality will only go up from here. You can also use one Bud Live for making calls, but since Samsung Galaxy Buds Live are open type fit earbuds, I wouldn't recommend doing that unless you enjoy being frustrated while talking on the phone, because I found myself having trouble hearing the person on the other end even at full volume, unfortunately. When it comes to the sound experience, I'm sorry guys, probably a lot of people will hate me, but I have to be transparent with you, and since I'm not sponsored by Samsung, I can actually speak the truth, unlike these big YouTubers whom I felt put the Buds Live on a pedestal when they don't deserve to be there. Samsung says the AKG tuned Buds Live have 12mm drivers, larger than what's inside the Galaxy Buds Plus, and a bass dock to help ramp up the low end. But I want to let you know that if you buy the Samsung Galaxy Buds Live for a sound experience and active noise cancellation, then you will be greatly disappointed. Samsung Galaxy Buds Live just don't sound good at all, especially considering their price. There's 3 microphones but only 1 speaker. Really? What is the point of those 3 microphones if you can't hear anything? I understand sound quality could be compromised because of the design of the Buds Live, but there's also Galaxy wearable app that allows you to set sound between 6 modes, which include bass boost and treble boost, but even then, the bass doesn't have punchy bounce at all, and even though the lack of a seal means the mids and highs should connect much better, a lot of times there's no clarity in the mids and highs too, especially when you're trying to listen to music with one Bud Live. Then you can't even comprehend the lyrics at all. I found that the best sound quality and bass performance came with the normal mode in Galaxy wearable app, and when I shove them as far into my ears as they comfortably go. Like the AirPods Pro and Google's Pixel Buds, Samsung also built in an air vent to make them feel as natural as possible, without any sensation of being closed off. However, this air vent can mean that there is a lot of sound leakage, unlike in the AirPods Pro. If you commute on a public transportation or work in an environment where quiet is respected by your colleagues, be prepared to hear a lot of complaints about how loud your music is playing. When it comes to ANC or Samsung Galaxy Buds Live active noise cancellation, which I was mostly excited about when I heard about Buds Live, and I'm sure you were too, unfortunately I'm going to have to disappoint you once again, guys. When you toggle ANC on or off with noise around you, you will barely notice a difference. Even though Samsung says Buds Live will only cancel low band background noise, muting sounds like trains and buses up to 97%, just so you understand, the ANC will barely remove the sound of AC in your car, and you will hear every detail in the gym while working out, which I'm sure is much less of a noise than a train or a bus. So the active noise cancellation aspect of the Galaxy Buds Live has definitely been oversold by Samsung, especially since they do not have any silicone tips. The noise cancelling is not effective at all, so you might as well keep the ANC off to save your battery. Although Samsung could have made it much more effective. If you were planning to buy the Galaxy Buds Live because of the advertised noise cancelling, do not, because you will be disappointed. Guys, smash that like button if you were excited just like me for Samsung Galaxy Buds Live active noise cancellation feature and great sound quality, and comment down below whether or not you're disappointed with an outcome as well. The battery life of Samsung Galaxy Buds Live is rated up to 8 hours with noise cancelling off and 6 hours with it on. It drops to 5.5 hours with noise cancelling with Bixby always there waiting for you to wake it up, like I told you before. The compact case charges wirelessly or via USB-C and supports quick charging, which can provide about an hour of playtime with just 5 minutes of charging, and at full gives you about 2.5 extra charges or 20 hours of playback time, which is great. And it seems like Samsung Galaxy Buds Live live up to the battery expectations. But I don't know whether it's because the battery is as good as Samsung says, or because I found myself often leaving them behind because of the bad sound experience. Samsung Galaxy Buds Live have some cool features, and most of them revolve around Bluetooth. Obviously, because these are Bluetooth earbuds. Let's start off with Bluetooth pairing, which is pretty flexible, depending on which devices you're using, of course. If you have multiple Galaxy devices, Samsung devices will sync the Buds Live pairing information between them, so they'll be instantly available to other Samsung devices, and you can pair them all to the Buds and automatically switch between devices as long as they are all under the same Samsung account. Galaxy Buds Live don't seem to pair simultaneously to 2 devices, but if you have one of the new Galaxy devices like Note 20, Tab S7, then you can simultaneously pair with 2 pairs of Buds Live. Pairing of Galaxy Buds Live is also as simple as either opening the case for the first time or pressing and holding both of the earbuds for 3 seconds for each subsequent pairing. And you don't even have to have the Bluetooth on your device as long as the wearable app is installed. On Samsung and Windows, you will see a quick pairing pop up that you only have to tap connect, which I thought was a very simple but very cool feature that a lot of new devices overcomplicate. Another cool feature of Buds Live, or should I say Samsung overall, is Galaxy Wearable app. I love how much customization it allows you to do, including customization for the touch and hold gestures on the buds. A toggle to block the touch controls altogether, or to toggle active noise cancelling. Use Find My Earbuds to track down lost bud, and customize long press controls for each bud. You can also switch between 6 audio presets, including normal, bass boost, soft, dynamic, clear, and treble boost, and the ability to have certain notifications read aloud to you. And I love the ability to switch the connection to previously paired devices just by tapping connect in the Galaxy Wearable app. One thing I want to point out is that Bluetooth 5.0 wireless connection has been amazing for me throughout all of my experience with Samsung Galaxy Buds Live. And one cool feature which helps to keep a reliable audio or voice stream, the Galaxy Buds Live features Samsung's scalable codec, which prevents audio chopping by changing the bitrate according to the strength of the Bluetooth connection. With that being said, I never noticed choppy conversation or words missing while on the call with Galaxy Buds Live. The sound might have been not clear or not as loud as I like, as I said before, but never choppy. And this is achieved because scalable codec automatically encodes the audio information with a higher compression rate, allowing the earbuds to receive data without interruptions, which I thought was a very neat feature. The controls are very simple. Both of the Buds Live are controlled by taps. Single tap means play or pause music. Double tap means next song. During a call, you can answer a call with double tap, end the call, or put a call on hold while answering the second call. Triple tap means play a previous song. Touch and hold activate user set function in the app, which in my case is set to volume control. And during calls, reject all calls. At first, I was very impressed by touch controls of Samsung Galaxy Buds Live and how responsive they were. Finally, I thought someone made the earphones that are actually controllable, unlike Apple AirPods Pro, which would only respond to taps when they felt like it. However, not everything is as great as you'd like it to be, and the control sensitivity actually could get overly sensitive and become annoying, especially when you have to adjust the buds, which happens pretty often. And this will result in a song pausing or playing when you don't want them to do so. The controls aren't unusable in their current state, but hopefully Samsung will improve them with a software update. Guys, smash that like button for responsive controls and comment down below and let me know why do you think none of these manufacturers like Samsung or Apple cannot find the perfect middle for the tap sensitivity. Thank you very much for watching my video about Samsung Galaxy Buds Live, guys. If you found this video helpful or just enjoyed it anyway, please hit that like button for the YouTube algorithm to push our video to the top so we can be helpful to many other viewers interested in this product. Subscribe and don't forget to smash the bell button to be notified for future awesome helpful content. And remember guys, it does not matter how slowly you go as long as you do not stop. So never give up and keep pushing forward.